Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. How to use double-sized mesh banner material. We have a 400 GSM double-sided mesh banner material with a base fabric 1000 by 1000, 11 by 11, specially designed for indoor window applications. And it is with a B1 flame retardant certificate. Please note that the double-sided mesh banner is only working with UV printing. Since there are small holes in mesh banner material, the mesh banner should be with PVC liner if you use ordinary solvent ink. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.